Hi! Today, we will learn about support, movement, and growth. Skeleton is a hard and fixed structure in multicellular organisms, such as humans and animals. Skeleton enable humans and most animals which have backbones to stand or move. There are three types of support systems in animals, namely endoskeleton, exoskeleton, and hydrostatic skeleton. Do you know what is a hydrostatic skeleton? Now, let's find out. Hydrostatic skeleton consists of fluid-filled body cavities surrounded by the muscular walls. The fluids in the body cavities are able to exert pressure on the walls of the body to facilitate movement, to support and maintain the shape, and to protect the internal organs. For example, land animals such as worms and leeches, and aquatic animals such as jellyfish and starfish have them. Can you name 3 differences between hydrostatic skeleton and exoskeleton? Hydrostatic skeleton is flexible. It provides support to the body, and the muscles surround the skeleton. Whereas exoskeleton is rigid, but it provides support and protection to the body, and the skeleton surrounds the muscles. Can you name 2 factors which influence the stability of animals? The 2 factors which influence the stability of animals are the center of gravity and the base area. The lower the center of gravity of the animal, the more stable the animal. For example, giraffes spread their legs wide apart while drinking water because it lowers their center of gravity. Likewise, the larger the base area, the more stable the animal. For example, kangaroos support their bodies with their tails because their tails widen their base area. The support system in plants enables leaves and stems to grow towards the sunlight to make food through photosynthesis, and they are classified into support systems for terrestrial and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants are divided into woody plants and herbal plants, whereas aquatic plants are made up of submerged plants and floating plants. Based on this picture, can you name the type of plants which have such cross-sections? Based on the picture, most aquatic plants have such cross-sections. The structure labeled X is an airspace which enables aquatic plants to float. What about this picture? Can you name the type of plants which have such cross-sections? Based on the picture, herbaceous plants such as maize and banana plants have such cross-sections.